Hello friends, my name is Satyam. Today we are going to discuss civics chapter 3 and 4. The first question is, democracy is a form of government chosen by the dash. The answer is people. India is a democratic country. Democracy is a form of government in which the people have the authority to choose their representative through election. The next question is, the government make dash for everyone to follow. The answer is laws. The government make laws and everyone who live in the country has to follow these. The next question is, what is monarchy? The answer is ruled by the king or queen. In this form of government, the monarch has the power to make decision and run the government. The next question is, the government work at dash, dash and dash level. The answer is local, state and central. The next question is, any person who is caught driving without license can be dash or dash. The answer is jailed or fined with large sum of money. The next question is, the citizen of a country has the right to approach the dash if they feel there is a violation of any law by an individual or by the government. The answer is court. In India, the highest court of judgment is the Supreme Court. The next question is, who demands that all adults, whether they being rich or poor, educated or illiterate, have the right to vote? The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. In 1931, in the journal Young India, Gandhiji wrote that all adults should vote whether they are rich or poor, educated or illiterate. The next question is, the government at local level relate to dash. The answer is village, town and locality. The next question is, who makes law? The answer is central government. The next question is, a mark is put on the finger to make sure that a person cast only dash vote. The answer is one vote. The next question is, when did American women get the right to vote? The answer is in 1920. The next question is, in which year the women in UK got voting right equal to men? The answer is in 1928. The next question is, on which level does Indian government make decision to maintain peaceful relation with other countries? The answer is central level. The next question is, in which type of government do the king or queen not have to explain their action or decision they take? The answer is monarchy. The next question is, when was only a small minority allowed to vote? The answer is before independence. The next question is, the word suffrage means dash. The answer is right to vote. The women's suffrage movement started in USA and Europe during the First World War. The next question is, apartheid means discrimination on the base of dash. The answer is race. South Africa was earlier governed by apartheid laws. The South African people were divided into white, black, Indian and colored races. The next question is, who was the leader of African National Congress? The answer is Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary who served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. The next question is, when did Africa become a democratic country? The answer is in 1994. In 1994, South Africa became a democratic country in which people of all races were considered equal. The next question is, for how many years is the Indian government elected? The answer is 5 years. Once elected, government can stay in power only for that period. If they want to continue to be in power, then they need to have been re-elected by the people. The next question is, if a country's people are alert and interested in how the country runs, that country will be dash. The answer is stronger. The next question is, the dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu is for which river? The answer is Kaveri. The downstream dam in Tamil Nadu can only be filled up if water is relieved from the upstream dam from Karnataka. Therefore, both states can get enough water for their people. This led to conflict. The next question is, Krishna Raja Sagar Dam is situated in which state? The answer is Karnataka. The water stored in this is used for irrigation and to meet needs of water of Bangalore city. The next question is, the Mettur Dam is situated in which state? The answer is Tamil Nadu. The water stored in this dam is used for crops grown in the delta region of the state. The next question is, the Mettur and Krishna Sagar Dam are built on which river? The answer is Kaveri. The next question is, the Indian Dash lays out the basic rule or laws that have to be followed by everyone. The answer is Constitution. These laws are for both the government and the people. The next question is, equality and justice are dash. The answer is inseparable. Dr. Ambedkar was of the views that justice can only be achieved when people are treated equally. The next question is, the white people of South Africa uses which language? The answer is Afrikaans. The next question is, who was Hector Peterson? The answer is a 15 years old South African schoolboy. He was a schoolboy who was shot and killed during the Soweto uprising. The next question is, when was Hector Peterson killed? The answer is on 16 June 1976. He and his classmates joined the protest against learning the Afrikaans language. They wanted to learn their own language, Zulu. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.